Right. Good afternoon, everyone. I hope you are all doing well. In the last two sessions, we also discussed 2025 RMS model paper and also we completed 2024 model paper. So, as we all know that mostly we rely on the previous year's question paper in excelling the RMS or any competitive exam. Is it? So, in today's class, we are going to see the 2023 RMS question paper, how the question paper they frame and what is the demand of the examiner and from where the questions he is taking and how we are going to solve and what's our approach is most important in today's session. So beginning, so we will start now and as we all know my subject is intelligence and the question starts from 101 to 150. So one thing you all know that in RMS there are 50 questions for reasoning which is called intelligence. So let us start from 101 question and let's see what's the 101 question is. If CB means BAD bank, okay. CBE means BAD, then GMBH. It is nothing but this question is asked from coding. So in coding we learned this, we practice this type of questions. Let us see how we are going to solve this. See, they have given C, B and E. What it and what is that? BAD. It is simple, nothing but -1 pattern it has followed. It has also followed -1. It is also -1. So one thing we observed by solving this is that it following a -1 pattern. So GMBH. So GMBH isn't it? GMBH. So what is if I subtract -1 from G, then what is the position? Which letter will come? G is 7. If I subtract -1, 6. F is 6. Firstly, it will come F, isn't it or not? -1. Then M -1. Then M -1. M is 13 and -1 is 12. L. F, L. The options, as we all know that mainly we are doing in reasoning, we are eliminating the options and then we are solving, isn't it or not? So now come to this. FL in the A option there is no FL and in the B option there is no FL and now you see that our answer is between C and D, isn't it? So the probability of getting answer is 50%. So now let's check FL we completed, then A -1 is A, FLA. So in option C you observe A and option D you observe O, so it won't be our answer and our answer is C. I hope you understand and what's the approach towards the question, you got it. So come to next question, 102. 102 question. See, 102 question is also like common coding. Okay. To solve this type of question, the first thing, if I'm here in place of you in the examination, what I will do means I will observe the question in a certain language. See, there are TOUR, CLER, and what's the demand of SPAR? I will observe the words first. Then I will go to the demand of the question. What is the demand of that question? He make us to find sculpture, SCULPA, TURE. So what I am going to tell is that I am firstly, if I am here in place, I will see whether these letters are there in these three words or not. So S, yes, we can find yes. C, yes, here it is C. U and U. L, yes, it is L. So one thing I understood from is that these letters, these letters are also there in these three words. So by this, I can confine that I should just find the respective letter coding and I have to answer that, isn't it? So this is the way we have to do. So let's see S. How is S is coded as? S is what here? It is 9, isn't it? So let's come to the option. It is a option. It is 1, so it won't be option. It C option. It is 8. It won't be our answer. So our answer is between B and D because both the first number is 9 in both the option. Now come to C. Where is C? C is it here? C is coded as how much? 5. So 9 5. Okay, in this two we find 9 5. Next another U. What is the U is coded as 3, isn't it? So 3, but we find 3 in both the numbers. Now L. Where is L? In which one L is present? in the clear, right? So here it is M. So it is coded as 6 or 6. So where is 6? In B or D? In B it is 4. So it won't be our answer. And in D, if you observe in D, it is 6. So our answer will be D. No need to, when you get the answer, when we are going to elimination, no need to see. Okay. No need to see the remaining letters because it's enough. We got the answer and we, through the help of elimination, we did this. So this is the way you have to do in your examination as well. Got it? So next, 103 question. 103 question. AFHO. This is analogy. This question is analogy and that is letter analogy. In analogy, we will find word analogy, number analogy, letter analogy, mixed analogy. So in those way, this is of letter analogy where it completely depends of letters and one pair is, we have to find the relation between the pair. The first is related to second and the same way third is related to the fourth. This is the way we have to we have to find, isn't it or not? Isn't it or not? So let's say A. A is what? Let's see A. Okay. One thing, let's see A. A is C. It means what? A is relation with C. It means they have added plus 2. Isn't it or not? So plus 2. A is what? How much? Plus 2. And F is what? H. It is also plus 2. Okay, which following plus 2 pattern? If I add plus 2 for the G letter, then what will be? G is 1. Plus 2 will be what? 7 plus 2, 9, and I will be the first letter. Okay, got it. I will be the first letter. Let's go with the options. So, in the first option, you will find A. It won't be our answer because G is first. And B, it is also G. It won't be our answer. And C, it is also first. It won't be our answer. And D. D is our answer. It has I. So this is the way you have to solve. Let me check other three words also so that you will get the clarity. And B plus 2 is what? B plus 2. D, isn't it? So here you have D. And one more thing. Here it is H. H is nothing but 8. H is what? 8. H is nothing but 8 and F is 6. It means here these two letters, for the next two letters, they have subtracted minus 2. For the next two letters, they have subtracted 9 minus 2. O is 15 and M is 13 minus 2. It means the next letter D minus 2 is what? P, isn't it? B is 4 and if you subtract minus 2, then it will be 2. If it 2 is B, so it will be B and J is 10. 1 minus 2 is 8 and 8 is nothing but the position of alphabetical order. 8 is a H, isn't it or not? So our answer is IDBH. So got it? How we are solving? Got it? How we are solving? Let's see 104th question. What the 104th question will be? Let's check. I hope you all understand how we are going to solve in the examination. Okay, and you should follow the same approach as well. So the next question is 105th, 104th, isn't it? Let's see how the 104th question will be and what the demand of the question. Let's see first. QT you have given and related with ILM. So let's see what's the relation. In the English alphabetical order, the position of Q will be 7, Q17. That is quarantine, 17 days. I have taught you how to remember. Okay. And then I is what? 9. If 17 minus 9, what will be? 17 minus 9 will be 8. So minus, how many they have given? Minus 8. Let's check with the same. TEL, T is 20 and L is 12. It is also minus 8. U is 21. 21 and minus 8 is 13. Isn't it 21 minus 8? 13. Got it? So one thing you clearly notice in this analogy is that minus 8 pattern is following. Isn't it or not? Minus 8 for every letter. Let's check with also J. J is 10 minus 8 is how much? 2. 2 is B. So let's come with the option. In the option A, it is P, so it won't be our answer. In option C, it is W, it won't be our answer. And option B, it is B, okay. In option D, it is U, so it won't be our answer. So we are left with only one option, that is B. So when J minus 8, if we subtract, then it will be B. B is nothing but 2 is nothing but 8. So minus 8 pattern followed, and our answer is B. I hope you understand this as well. Got it? So next question. Next question is series question, missing series. So what's the question? Let's check me. 105. 259 and they have missed the number. Again, we have to find that missing number and they have given the followed series 20 and 27. Let's check what will be the Answer 2, 5. Okay, the difference between 2 and 5 is 3. Okay, and 5 and 9 is 4. Okay, again we don't know this. Okay, and also they have given 20 and 7. So let's check 3, and here it is how much? 9 plus 4. 4, next thing is what? 5. Okay, we'll see 5 if it fits or not. 5. 5. 9 plus 5 is 14, and 14 plus 6 is 20. Isn't it? So 14 will be answer. If we write the 14, if you choose the 14, then plus 6. So what you had followed here, plus 3, plus 4, plus 5, plus 6, and plus 7. So this is the way. So our answer is what? 14. It satisfies. So 20 it came right. 14 plus 6 and 9 plus 5 is 14. Got it? So the answer is A. So the answer is A. 105 is A. How we solved? We just solve by knowing the differences. Isn't it or not? Yes, got it. And 106th question. What is 106th question? Let us see. These type of questions we solved many from the given alternative words. Select the words which cannot be formed. Which cannot be formed. Again, I am stressing while reading these type of questions, we have to notice what's the demand of the question. Which cannot be formed. Okay, which cannot be formed using the letters of the given word nationalization. Okay, it means what? It means what? They have given the word and it has certain letters. So we have to choose the alternative by using those letter which word is not formed. Okay. Is it the way we have to which word is not formed? Okay. Let's see with A option N. We can also find N here. O, yes, we can also O here. And T, yes, we have T. And A, we have A again. Okay. Next T, again we have T. I, yes, we have I. O, there is O, yes, two O's, okay, and N, it is N. So one thing, the option A is forming by using the letters of this word. Option A is forming. But what the demand of the question is that which cannot be formed. So one option is forming, so it is not be our answer. It is clearly he clearly mentioned which cannot be. So another thing, nationalization. Next, go with B option. Yes, firstly we have S. Let's yes. And check here. Yes, we have S. Another A. We also have the A. L. We also have L here. I. And we also have I here. N. Okay, we also have N here. A. Yes, we can also find A in the word. And also T, yes, we find T here. I, yes, we find I, O, O, and N, N. So in this type of question, what we need to do is we can only observe. We have to observe it carefully, the question. So that's observation is everything. By observing, you can solve it. And one more thing, while solving this type of question, you have to observe how many letters are repeated. It means the repetition of same letter, it won't be possible. If there is two A's, then we have to use only two A's. If there is one A, we have to use only one A to form the word. We should not repeat. Okay, got it? I hope you understand. So option B also, all the words are found by using these letters and also single time. So another thing is what I, yes, we find I, N, we find S, N, yes, we also find S, T, yes, we also find T, L, yes, we find L. But again, L, now you observe one thing here, we got the answer now. How many L are there in this word? Only one L. But in this, there are two L's. So only one L. One L is extra. So that's for the reason this word is not formed. And our option is C. Got it? So next, I hope you understand this question, how we will solve. And this question is from arrangement and formation of words topic. Okay. Next, 107th question. Again, the 107th question is also coding, I think. Okay. Right. They have given the word give. They have given the word give. Uh, and coded as 5137 back 924 gate. The same thing which we have discussed in the first or second question, I think so. Here, what we have to do, what's our approach? Firstly, we have to observe the words. They have given the give back and they have asking us gate, isn't it? Then how gate is written? Okay, it means what we have to check whether these letters are there in the given words or not. G, yes, we can see in the first word. A, we can see in the second word. And T, yes, we can also find T in the second word. E, and we also find the E in the first word. So from this, what we have to observe means we have to observe that all the letters are there in these two words. So our coding, we need not to find the coding. We have to observe the respective letters coding, and we have to answer it. That's it. So let's check. Get G. G is 5. Isn't it G here? First letter and first letter they have given 5. Now let's check the option. Option A all okay. Option D don't have 5. So B won't be our answer. And A is 2. A is 2 here. B is 9. A is 2. Then A is 2. Next option should be 2. So in the option A, the next one is 4, so it won't be our answer. And here it is 7, it won't be our answer. And C, 5, 2, 4, 7. It's our answer because A is there, A is coded as 2. So in the option C, we will observe 2. In option A and B, we did not see the second position 2. There will be 4 and 7. So that's for the reason we are eliminated them. And the answer is C. Next, 108th question. What is the 108th question? Again, it's also coding. I think it depends upon reverse coding. Let us check what is that. MEAT. What they have given? MEAT. They have coded. And TEAM. So for this type of question, how we have to do? We should not get confused. By numbering, you will get the clarity. One, 2, 3, 4, and the 4 is first, and E is 2, 4, 2, and A is what? 3 and 1. 4, 2, 3, 1. The same way we have to answer this also. VALE, number it 1, 2, 3, 4. What the first number here came? 4. It is E, and it is the next number is 2. They have coded as 2. 2 is A, and next 3. 3 is what? L, and 1 is B. EALB. It is option 4. So our answer is B. Got it? And I hope you understand. By mentioning the number, you won't get confused. So this is the reason you have to number them, or else you have to go your traditional method, but you will confuse there. So that's what the reason you have to not confuse it. Okay. If you mention the number, you won't confuse. And next, go with 109 question. 109th question is that we have given it is the analogy. We have to find the relation between these two numbers, and then we have to find the what's the relationship. We have to choose from the alternatives. So let's see again. 10, 101. So 10 square is how much? What's the relation between them? 10 square is 100. 100 plus 1, it is 101. The same way, 20 square is how much? 20 square. 20 square is nothing but 20 square is 400, isn't it or not? 400 plus 1, 401. Is there any option? 401, 401, 401. It is option A. So our answer is very easy. So to solve this type of question, you need to know the squares. Okay. The squares of a number. And 110 question. Again, this question is arithmetical operation. We have to operate. Okay. By saying the question, what's the demand of the question? If plus means division. So interchanging of signs, this is if plus means division, and let's say division means minus, minus means into, and into means plus. Then 12 plus 6 divided 3 minus 2 into 8. Okay, fine. Let's see. They have 12. Okay. Plus means what? Plus means division. Okay, 6. And division means nothing but minus 3. And minus is nothing but into 2. And into is nothing but plus. Now let's see this. As a Bodonomus rule, you all know, firstly we have to solve the division, isn't it or not? So 16, 12 divided by 6 is nothing but 2. And then again we have to do multiplication, that is 6. 3 to the 6 plus 8. So, and also in this situation, what you have to do, we have to add, we have to sum, okay, 2 and 8. It's nothing but plus 2 plus 8 is plus 10. 1 minus 6 is nothing but 4. So 4 is the answer. Where is the 4? It is option B. Got it? So to solve this type of question, we need to know the basic maths, which depends upon mathematical operations such as addition, subtraction, multiplication. Got it? Okay, fine. And next, 111 question. Again, 111 question is what? Again, 111 question is completely based on analogy. Analogy nothing but we have to find the relationship. Okay, we have to find the relationship. What is relation between paper tree? I hope from tree paper will be made by using the tree. Okay, papers will be made, isn't it? So the relation with paper, the relation of tree with paper is clarified. And then next, from which word? It's nothing but raw material and product, isn't it? raw material and product analogy. So next, what will come? Glass. Glass is made up of what? Window, sand, stone, mirror. So our answer is B, sand, not stone. Okay. Answer is B, sand. Sand is made by sand. Glass is made of. Okay. Okay. With the tree, paper is made. With sand, glass is made. Okay. Got it? So 112 question. Let's see. 112 question is of blood relation. We have to find them what they want. Okay. What's the demand of the question? According to that, we have to find. Okay. A and B are sisters. Okay. A and B are sisters. It means plus is denoted by, if I write plus then it is male, and if I write minus then it is female. Okay, got it. A and B are sister. Fine. R and S are brothers. Daughter of A. Daughter of A. Who is daughter of A? Let's see who is daughter of A. It is minus, right? Daughter of A is sister of R. Is sister of R. And in the question, if you observe that R and S are brothers. R and S are brothers. It's nothing but plus. If I write plus means both they are brothers. Okay, got it. So what the demand of the question? Then what is the relation of B with S? Now let us check. It is satisfied. A and B are sister. R and S are brothers. A is the daughter of A is the sister of R. Now it's satisfied. Okay, given condition. Then what is the relation of B with S? So what is the relation of B with S? With S, it is nothing but A's sister. A's sister will what become? These are children of A. So B's relation with S is what? Aunt, isn't it? Mother, sister. So what will be the option? D. Got it? I hope you understand this. And next one, and next thing is 113th question. Next 113th question is also blood relation. Reena said, the woman walking on the road is my father's wife. How is the woman related to Reena? So my father's wife. What does it mean? My father's wife is my mother. Got it? So here is Reena. The woman walking. Here is woman. Okay. Woman walking on the road is my father's wife. It means father, wife. And I am what? Reena. Reena is the children of these two. Okay. Reena. She is female. So I have written minus. Okay. Now let us consider the given satisfied is not the woman walking on the road. Let's say she is a woman. Okay. Road is my father's wife. My father's wife. What will become my father's wife is directly my mother, isn't it? So Rina is introducing. So that's what the reason. She is Rina's mother. Okay, got it. How is the woman related to Rina? So one thing it is clear that relation with woman with Rina. So it is mother. Got it. Got it. So my father's wife is nothing but my mother, simply. So this is the way you have to do. And don't worry, we will teach, we will practice n number of questions on this type. Okay, 113, 114th question. Again, 114th question will be what? Let's see. Around. Around is coded as noun. It means what you have did. Let us see. What what's the coding you have done here? Around. AROUND. And the second thing is that RAOUND. It means the first two letters he interchanged the positions. Okay. And the remaining he made clear. So the same way what we have to do in ground. 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 Okay. And the first two letters interchange. It is nothing but RGOUND. Let's see in the option RGOUND. Okay. It is in the A option we can find. It is B, no N. So it is A also. One thing if you observe, UODN it is. But here what we have got OUND. UODN and OUND are different. And when compared to other option, it is nearest to this option. And also, I hope the question might be there is error in printing, I think. So we will consider A option. In these type of cases, you will get marks directly. Okay, if the mistakes is from their side, they will allot us the mark. Okay, fine. Next 115th question. 115th question in a certain code language. So this type of questions we have to find the common thing. Okay, this is coding and decoding. In a certain code language, 389 means 389. What are the letters? 389 means run very fast. Okay. And another thing is 964. Am I correct? Okay. 964 means come back fast. And 487. What's the letter? 487 means run and come. Then which code will work for come? So, firstly, what is the approach of this type of question means we have to observe the question, and after reading the question we have to see what's the demand of the question. The demand of the question is what the which code will work for come. So for the come word, what will be the code? So while seeing this type of question, what we have to do, if I am here in the place, what I have to do means I will see where is the come word. Okay, it is in second and it is in also third. Run and come back fast. So now one thing it is clear that if I find the words of these, then I will get the word come, isn't it or not? So if I find the common thing of this sentence, it means come back first. Then I will get this. Let us see what's the common thing in this two here. 6964487, and it is common. Come is here, and also come will be here. And is there any other word common? Back first, run and come. So no common, and there is only one thing common in the word, that is come and come. And one thing other common is 4 and 4. So we can say 4 is the answer, isn't it? So there is only one thing common in those two first and second statements. Got it? So by this we can know the answer, and the answer is C option. Again, let's go 116th question. What will be the 116th question? In which of the following words are arranged in a reverse order of dictionary arrangement? Then which word would come at third place? So what we have to do, we have to arrange them in a reverse order, and we have to check which comes in the third place. So to this type of question, we have only the similar process. That is, firstly we have to arrange them in a alphabetical order. It is nothing but dictionary order, and then we have to reverse them, and then we have to count. So let's see how we will do. So how we firstly we will arrange them in alphabetical order: O C O D O D O R. So obviously we all know that by one this A will become first, isn't it? So A will be first, and the next thing is after A wall will become O D O D O D O D second. Okay, and OD is nothing but ODIUM. Oh, here we have ODI and also ODI. And next is that O and U. Which will come first? U and O. Which will come first? O15, U21. So option C will come next to A, and the option B will come next to C, and D will be the last. So if I arrange them in a reverse order of, this is alphabetical order. So if I arrange them reverse order, it is nothing but going backward, reverse, going backward, is it nothing but reversing? So D will come first, right? If we reverse, B will come second, C will come third, and A will become fourth. So we all know that if we count from the back side, it is nothing but from reverse side. So D will be first, D will be second, and C will be third. It is in the third position from the reverse. So you should not forget the word reverse. So which is C. C is what we have asked, the third place. C ODS. ODS will be the answer. That is option C. I hope you understand how I did. Firstly, I have arranged them in alphabetical order. Then from the down to top, I have counted, and I have chosen the third C option, isn't it? Next, 117th question. Let us see what's the 117th question again. 117th question. Rashmi is 14th from the right hand. Rashmi is 14th from the right hand in a row of 40 girls. Okay, there are total 40 girls, and Rashmi is 14th from the right. What is her position from the left hand? As you all know that if you know the total and one position, what you will do, you have the formula to know the another position, isn't it? So total you have no. Okay. If you know the total also, and what's the formula? If you find left equal to, okay, total minus right plus 1, minus right plus 1, isn't it? Total is how much? 40 girls. Right is how much? 14, and plus 1 is 40 plus minus 14 is nothing but 26. 26 plus 1 is 27. Got it? So is there any answer in the option? So it is in the B option. So this is the way we have to do. Don't worry, we will solve n number of questions while we are practicing this type of, while we are discussing this ranking chapter. Okay. There you can, will learn this. And 118th question. 118th question. paint is written as 63257. Okay. Shirt is written as 15297. Then how HAIRE here is written. Okay. Now the same thing I have explained two types of question. This two type of questions I have explained you this type of question. One for this type, how we will approach? We have to see this word paint. Okay, and then next step, and he demanded us to find the head, isn't it? So firstly, what we have to observe means is these all letters are there in these two words paint and shed. We have to observe H. Yes, we have H. A also there in the first word. I also there in the first word, and R it is also there in the second word. So one thing it is confirmed that we need not to do much here. The only thing we have to identify the common thing with respect to coding, and then we have to write this. Isn't it? Where is H? H is in the second word, and how it is coded as 5. Got it? How it is coded as 5. Okay, we'll write 5 here. And then A. A is in the first word, and it is in the second position, that is 3. 5, 3. Now let's check and options also in the A. First option it is 5, 2. It won't be our answer. In the B option it is 1982. And in the C option 5, 3. And the D option it is none. So our answer 5, 3 only there in the C option. So that's what we by elimination we have to solve them. And the answer is option is C. Got it? How we are solving? So we need not to waste your time. So for your understanding, somewhere I am teaching. Okay, and also mostly in reasoning you have to go through eliminations only, so the probability of getting answer, okay, will be high. Next thing is 119th question. What will we say about 119th question? 119th question is again series missing number. We have to find the series what there, and it is 7. Okay, firstly we have to find these type of questions. Firstly we have to find the differences. Okay, then we will understand what the pattern is following. Okay, next 9076 is 90 minus 14. It is nothing but 14, right? 90 minus 14. Okay, next 14. Next 14. And another thing is 7655, how much? Minus 21. Now you can easily say that these are the multiples of 7. 7 1 7, 7 2s are 14, 7 3s are 21, next 7 4s are 28. Isn't it 28? In these all respective, what you will say, they are subtracting. If I subtract 55 minus 28 by the digit number, one digit, we can say 15 minus 8 is nothing but 7. 7 plus 8 is 15, right? 7. And 2. 4 minus 2. Okay. So that's for the reason we got 27, and there is only one option, that is B, that is 27. I hope you understand how I solved. So for this type of question, firstly we need to find okay, the differences, and then next 120th question. 120th question is a dictionary based. 120 question, select, seldom, send, selfish, seller. So he has given 5 words, and we have to what the demand of this question. The following words, so arrange the following words in a sequence which they occur in the dictionary. It is simple, right? That's what I told you. We have to arrange them in a dictionary order. Okay. Select, seldom, send, selfish, seller. So in the one thing you will observe common in all this is that SCL, SEL. Yes, here in the third one it is L, and in the fourth it is common, and fifth it is common. Now tell me SE is common, right? So next to the L. So will L between L and N, L will become first, right? So N will be obviously it is lost. Okay, N is obviously not. It's nothing but option 3 will be lost. If we go through check option 3 will be lost, there will be 3 in lost in all the options at the last position. So there is no chance of cancellation. Let's see. Next go with cell. SEL. Next letter is here E, and next letter is D here, and next letter is F, and next letter is again L. So among these four, E, D, F, L, which letter will come first? D will come first, right? That is option 2. So let's check it. So option A has 1, so it won't be our answer. Option B has 2, option C has 2, option D also has 2. Next, after D, so we have completed with option 2. Next, go with option, next E among these three, E, F, L, which will come first? Which will come first? E will become, right, according to alphabetical order, E, that is option 1. Next to 2, 1 will be the option. So in the B, we will see 1, and in the C also we will see 1, and in the D, it is 5. So it won't be our answer. Now you understand that how we are eliminated. So B, A, and D, it won't be our answer. Next, go for another. So we also completed with one option. We are left with 3, 4, 5. FL, which will come first? F will come first, right, in alphabetical order. So what is the position is 4. So 2, 1, 5. Here it is what? 5. We need 4. So option B won't be our answer, and it is 4 in the option C in the third position. That is C option. So 120th the question is C. Got it? And 121 again. And the question number 121. What's there? Let's check. Find the missing letters in the series C, M, M, E, double O. So we have to G, Q, Q. Okay, they missed it, and K, U, U. Okay, we have to find the missing number. What we will see first? We will see the pattern, what's going on. Then we will choose the from the alternative. C, E. Nothing but plus 2. C is 3, E is 5. It is nothing but plus 2 they have added. And also E plus 2. E is 5, G is 7 plus 2. G plus 2 is nothing but 7 plus 2, 9. 9 is nothing but I. In alphabetical order, I. Let's go with the option. So in the first option, it is G, it won't be our answer. And in the B, it won't be our answer. In the C, we will find I. And in the D also, we will find I. So next thing is that we have to do, we have to find the next letter. C, M, O. M is 13. Okay, O is 15. It nothing but again plus 2 is going on. Plus 2, O plus 2, okay. Q plus 2, Q is 17 plus 2 is 19, 19 is yes. Got it? 19 is yes. So I yes, the second one should be I yes. In the C option it is yes, and the D option it is T. So D won't be our answer, and we have only with one option, that is C. Okay, this is what elimination helps you in examination. And the next number is 122, and the next number is 122. India president, state governor. Okay, India president. They have given. We have to find the relationship analogy. India and president. We all know the nominal head of India country is obviously president for the state. The nominal head is president, whereas the real head is the prime minister. So nominal head. Okay, so he is the president. So whereas state, he will be the nominal head will be governor, and the real head will be chief minister. Is it clear? So nominal head is president, right? So here also state what will become? Governor. So where will the option? It is option in the B. Got it? Okay, fine. So option 122 is B. And again come to 123 question. Next again 123 question. 123 question. 100, 121, 144. By these three things you can observe that these are square numbers, squares of some numbers. So 10 is 100. Isn't it? Another thing is 11 is 121. And in same way 12 is 144, and after 12 what will come? 10 plus 1, 12 plus 1, 13. 13 is nothing but 169. 13 square is nothing but 169. So option C. Got it? So these are all squares of a number. By this you can easily assess that how much important to learn the squares of a number. So in the previously also you have found one type of question. And next 124 question. 124 question. 124 question. Let us check what is this. Okay. The woman introduced a boy and said his uncle's uncle and my uncle are brothers of each other. What is the relation of the woman with that boy? And also one thing, if you observe that they clearly in the bracket mentioned mama. Who is the mama? Okay. According to our mama is nothing but mother's brother. Isn't it or not? Isn't it or not? Yes. So let's see. A woman introduce a boy. Let's say here is the boy. Let's say here is the boy. Okay. Fine. And his uncle's mama. Mama is nothing but mother's brother. Isn't it? Mother, mother and mother's brother. Mother's brother, mother's brother. Okay, you can write like this. Mother's brother. That is his mama. Now, boy's uncle is mother's brother. One thing you have cleared. Okay, fine. And the next thing is uncle's mama. Okay, uncle's mama again what? Uncle's mother, uncle's mother and uncle's mother's brother is the uncle's mama. Isn't it? Let's see. It should be same as boy, right? So uncle's mother and and her brother. Okay, mother's brother. MB or M brother I am writing. Okay, don't confuse. Mother's brother. And minus and plus is always indicate minus female, and plus is what? Plus is what? Male. So now by this, let me tell you, by this, let me tell you, see one thing, his uncle's uncle's uncle. Now you boy's uncle and boy's uncle's uncle. You one thing you have clear that boy's uncle and boy's uncle's uncle. So one thing you have noticed and up to here you have clear. So and next uncle's uncle and my uncle are brothers of each other and my uncle. So let's say brothers. Brothers means here it is what? Okay, place. And here will be some women. My uncle. It is nothing but in this woman, right? So woman here, woman. So she is what represent with minus. Okay. Now, now let us check the satisfied conditions. It is satisfied the condition or not. Now let us observe. A woman introduced a boy. Okay, she woman is introducing a boy. His uncle's mama. Mama they have given is nothing but mother's brother. Okay, uncles. His uncle's uncle is my uncle's brother. My uncle's her uncle brother. Got it? So the given condition is satisfied up to here. But now come to here. What is the relation of woman with that boy? So this woman relation with this boy. So one thing here you can say we can relate with this. Okay. Here we can relate with this women's in this generation, mother generation, and this. So it is clearly on top this. Here might be one thing you have to notice here he is the brother's mother's brother, right? She might be mother's sister. She might be mother's sister. So this indicates sisters, one generation. She might be mother's sister. Got it? She might be mother's sister. So the reason she is the actual mother's sister. Okay. And then what is the relation of woman with that boy? It is aunt here. It is aunt, mother's sister, aunt. Okay. So in the option, it is aunt. But one thing, if you observe that many were confusing to solve this type of question, especially this question, I have seen many teachers were teaching they what they are doing they are marking mother but in the question if you observe that if they mention clearly only one mother then the answer will be mother but in the question never they mentioned that only one woman only one woman there might be possibility of having two isn't it or not? So that's for the reason mother it won't be our answer and aunt will be our answer. If they have mentioned only one woman, then our answer will be mother. Okay. So there might be possibility of another sister to his mother also. Got it? So that's for the reason aunt will be the answer. I hope you understand and you understand this also boy's uncle's uncle and also her uncles are brothers and how this boy is related to this because she might be sister of boy's mother. So that's what the reason you have to write this is the way and the answer is A and on. The relation with boy and woman is that on. I hope you understand this. And 125th question again 125th question. Let us check what's the 125th question actually. Five boys participated in education competition. Okay, they are all participated in education competition. Arsh ranked higher than Sami. Okay, Arsh. Arsh is ranked. Okay, Arsh is ranked higher than what? Samai. Arsh is ranked higher than Samai. Okay, next thing. And Samai ranked higher than Pratik. Samai is ranked higher than Pratik. Okay, fine. Samai ranked higher than Pratik and Harsh rank lower than Nikhil. Harsh rank lower than Nikhil. This is the way Harsh rank lower than Nikhil. Okay, fine. Kabir rank between Harsh and Samay. So Harsh and Samay, between Harsh and Samay, she will be in between these two. Then we can write as this is right. Nikhil, then Harsh and Samay, Harsh and what is Kabir? Kabir is between Harsh and Samay, right? Kabir. Between means this is right. Kabir, Samay, and Pratik. So now the given condition is satisfied. Let us check the given satisfied or not. In the first, Arsh ranked higher than Samay. Okay, Arsh is higher than Samay. Fine. Samay ranked higher than Pratik. Samay is ranked higher than Pratik. Okay, fine. Arsh ranked lower than Nikhil. Okay, Arsh is lower than Nikhil. Fine. Then Kabir ranked between Arsh and Samay. Kabir is ranked between Arsh and Samay. Okay, it is also fine. So given condition is satisfied up to now. Let us check the demand of the question. Who ranked the highest? Who ranked the highest? Obviously, Nikhil. Nikhil is the highest person among these five. So, what's the answer? It is A. Where it is A? A. Nikhil is in the A option. So, our answer is A. Okay. I hope everyone understand till here. And the remaining 25 questions we will discuss in the next class. So, by this, you might have learned how to approach towards the question and what the demand of the question is much necessary. So reasoning is of everything about observing, if you how you observe and how you analyze. And okay, the next part we will continue in the next session. Remaining 25 questions we will solve in the next session. I hope you understand this session. Okay, thank you.